What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. Today's video will be about top 7 Oracle projects in the cryptocurrency space. So recently I did go over what is an Oracle project in the crypto space. Right now this niche is booming. Every project in the Oracle niche is pretty much gone up 10x or around that. So I'm going to go through and review these 7 projects, so maybe you can find a project that you like. Before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit the bell if you want to be notified when I make new cryptocurrency videos. Also comment below what is your top and favorite cryptocurrency Oracle project besides Chainlink. So as you guys probably already know, Chainlink has been booming lately, breaking new all-time high prices multiple times in the last couple weeks. Currently at $16, it did have some pullback. It almost made it to the $20 level, which is just insane considering this coin was only around 50 cents in April of 2019. Just massive return on investment if you got in early. It was only $2 back in April of 2020. So massive returns on investment, almost 10x for Chainlink if you got in April of 2020. So before we get into the 6 other projects that are Oracle coins, I do want to go briefly over what is a blockchain oracle. So blockchain oracles are third-party services that provide smart contracts with external information. They serve as bridges between blockchains and the outside world. So blockchains and smart contracts cannot access off-chain data that is outside of the network. However, for many contractual agreements, it is vital to have relevant information from the outside world to execute the agreement. So why are decentralized data oracles required? That's because, contrary to popular belief, smart contracts, which form one of the basic building blocks of the blockchain world, are actually not that smart. They enable complex logic executions once implemented, but they don't have default access to real-world data that is required to make decisions such as temperature, price of an asset, etc. So for example, if you have 2 sport teams and you want to bet on one of them winning on the blockchain, you will need a oracle to determine and pull off-chain data to see which of those sport teams won and then pay out the correct winner. So Chainlink is by far the biggest cryptocurrency oracle project in the space, nearing a $6 billion market cap now. Just insane how much Chainlink has grown over the past few months. Just the past few weeks since July 1st has gone from around $4.50 all the way up to near $20. So the second biggest oracle project in the crypto space is Band Protocol, with BAND as the ticker. So currently at the price of $12.40 with a market cap of $250 million. BAND has also had parabolic growth lately. Just July 4th, it was only $1.10. Now at $12.40, over 12x gains, just massive return on investment. It did peak out around $15 as well. So BAND, secure, scalable, blockchain agnostic, decentralized oracle. BAND Protocol is a cross-chain data oracle platform that aggregates and connects real-world data and APIs to smart contracts. So also something to take note of is CoinMarketCap and Binance partnered with BAND Protocol to be able to give you some free BAND. If you go to CoinMarketCap, you can earn $10 of BAND cryptocurrency just by doing some videos. So go to CoinMarketCap and go to the BAND Protocol page and just click the CoinMarketCap earn here, and you will be able to earn some BAND coins. So next up, the biggest oracle project on the list is going to be DIA. So $3.66 so far, up 10% today. This is actually close to its all-time high of $3.70. I've been seeing this one mentioned a lot, although I haven't looked into it too much. I am going to be looking into this further just to see what it's all about. But it does look like it recently launched on CoinMarketCap around the price of $1, so it's already up 400% as well. So a quick glance at the DIA website, verified and transparent oracles for the DeFi economy. That's very interesting. They're targeting the DeFi economy as well. So Decentralized Information Asset is an open source oracle platform that enables market actors to source, supply, and share trustable data. So I will be looking further into this and maybe even doing a review just on this project. Please let me know in the comments if this is something you would like. So next oracle project on the list is going to be Zap. Just insane parabolic gains recently, currently around 15 cents at a market cap of $36 million. So if we look at the price history, it did have a peak of around $1 back at the peak of the last bull run, which was beginning of January 2018. It quickly fell off and bottomed out around $300,000 market cap where it sat for over a year. So going from $300,000 market cap all the way to $36 million market cap, that's over a 100x. If you were buying in at these bottom prices, just insane. So if we zoom in closer to the recent price history, we can see Zap did have a small price rise to about 4 to 3 million, and another major price rise up to $31 million market cap at 24 cents. It is now around 15 cents, so it has been finding a new support level since this is a very volatile Oracle project. So circulating supply is 236 million out of 520 million. About half the total supply is currently in circulation. So if we go to zap.org, which is their website, Decentralized Bonding Curve Curation Market. So the zap.org website is pretty basic from the first glance. I will have to look more into the documentation and research this project further before I invest, but it is one I'm keeping on my radar since it is correcting now and finding a new support level and could possibly do a lot in the future. So next on the list is going to be DOS Network Oracle project, 25 cents currently at a $35 million market cap. Circulating supply is 135 million out of a max supply of 950 million. So if we check out the price chart here, we can see that DOS has also gone parabolic recently, starting at a market cap of around $1 million to $2 million, even as low as $500,000 market cap, just insanely low. It peaked out at a price of around 38 cents and is correcting, now going up again. So this is another one I've been hearing a lot about, being another Oracle project. I think all of these Oracle projects are just pumping so much because it's the popular thing right now next to decentralized finance, and Chainlink has also been pumping so much. So people are reinvesting into these smaller projects, trying to get another 10x quick gains. So this is definitely a project I'm going to be looking more into because it does seem pretty interesting, still at a fairly low market cap of 35 million as well. So DOS Network, a decentralized Oracle service network to boost blockchain usability and real-world data and computation power. If we go to use cases, automatic decentralized insurance payout, stable coins and crypto derivatives, crypto lending platform, cross-chain DEX, casinos and games, and computation marketplace. So that's pretty interesting. I like seeing they have some use case planned out as well. This is definitely a crypto I'm going to be looking further into. It looks like they have a lot of partnerships already as well, pretty low market cap, and the roadmap goes to 2020 and future. So research, integrate with Cosmos, SDK, and Substrate framework to upgrade to cross-chain Oracle. I don't see any further data for the roadmap here, so that is kind of concerning. I would like to see this going out to the end of 2021. So let me know what you guys think about DOS Network in the comments below, and also what is your favorite Oracle project out of this list so far. So next on the list is going to be Tellor TRB. I've been hearing a lot about this one as well. This one has a pretty high market cap of 66 million, nearing $50, up 10% today. So there's something interesting. There's only 1.5 million TRB total, which is extremely low total supply, and most of that is already in circulation. So this also went parabolic just like every other Oracle project has in the last couple weeks. Starting at the beginning of July, this was around $5 and less, and is now around $50, so it did get a 10x already. So before investing into any of these Oracle projects, you have to understand these are all projects at a peak price. They could be correcting at any time, and you could lose a lot of money investing at a peak price like this. Don't act out of emotions and invest out of fear. Don't FOMO or don't panic sell, because that's how people lose money in the cryptocurrency space. So if we go to the Tellor website, the decentralized Oracle for DeFi, an easy to implement solution to get high value data into your smart contracts, simple, decentralized, and secure. So something I noticed here, the timeline, it only goes to the end of 2019. I would like to see what they were doing in 2020 and what they have planned for 2021. But it does look like they have some big investors here like Maker, Binance Labs, and Consensus. So that's very interesting. I do like seeing big players like this backing a project. So considering that, this could be a good project in the future as well. It does have a lot of pairings. You can pick it up on Uniswap, Huobi Global, Balancer, and many other exchanges here. So I would like to see some more information on what they have coming up. I will be digging further into Tellor to see if it is a good project. Currently at a $66 million market cap though, and at a peak price, already up 10x, I would definitely be careful investing into any Oracle project right now because they're pretty much all up already. So next on the list is going to be Nest Protocol, which also looks very interesting. Currently at 10 cents with a $40 million market cap. Circulating supply, this is kind of interesting. The reported amount is different than the actual amount here. So that will cause it to have a different market cap. So 368 million, but what's reported is actually 1.5 billion is in circulation out of a total supply of 10 billion. So if we look at the price history here on CoinMarketCap, it did get listed very recently, July 14th at 2 cents. Now at 10 cents, it's already up 500% since Nest Protocol got added to CoinMarketCap. If we check out their website at nestprotocol.org, Nest Protocol is a distributed price oracle network that solves the problem of price on chain through a decentralized incentive scheme. So pretty interesting. This doesn't look like the best website. I would definitely be cautious investing in any of these projects. I will be looking into this one and others more. This price has actually been dipping off since its peak price of around 17 cents, now back to 10 cents. So it could be correcting further, especially because the circulating supply is reported differently than what's listed here on CoinMarketCap. So always be careful investing at peak prices. These are the 7 Oracle projects I'm aware of right now in the cryptocurrency space. I'm sure there's others coming up. This is a hot niche right now in the cryptocurrency space next to decentralized finance. I do believe Chainlink will continue to climb though and be the primary Oracle project in the cryptocurrency space. So out of these 7 Oracle projects right now, my favorite is going to be DOS Network next to Chainlink and Band. So DOS Network actually looks pretty good with it being a low market cap of 35 million. I also like that they have some use cases listed on their website here and a pretty good website explaining everything. Definitely looks like a solid project with a lot of partners. I would like to see more roadmap though for what they have planned for 2021. None of these smaller Oracle projects really have much on their roadmap showing what they have planned for the future, but I'm sure if I dug more, I could find more information on that, and they probably just need to update their websites. So DOS Network, by far my favorite. I'm going to be looking more into that. I might even do a full review on DOS Network as well. Also, Zap looks pretty interesting. I am waiting for this to level out and have a price correction. I do think it could be headed down more, especially since this was at a market cap of $300,000 for over a year. So that's it for today's video. Let me know what Oracle project is your favorite out of this 7 list and which project you would like me to review the most. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please share it with anyone that might find it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.